guys, so today Jake is going swimming.
I'm not going swimming.
He's going swimming.
You're going
He's
swimming.
going swimming at the falls. He wanted to fly down the flight of stairs. He's feeling wild today, guys, so let's just see how this turns out.
Watch me not add that part. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Grim, and today I'm back again with Miss Nora Sokolovic.
And he's going swimming!
I've already went swimming. And today we're going down to the Chedoke Falls. We're gonna hit both the upper falls and the lower falls.
Upper and lower, bitch.
This is where you start to get wet.
Oh, yeah!
Woo! Hey Nora.
Hi.
All right, so got the camera on the gimbal now. Changed out my lenses. I picked up a 10 to 20 lens, 3.5. It is significantly lighter, so vlogging with the gimbal is a little bit easier. Not too much easier, just a little bit. Nora, you want to do a shot right on this rock here?
Yeah, of course.
You know what they say is save the best for last? It's not what we did. We went to the top of the falls very first because we wanted to do the best first and then save the worst for second, for last. I don't know.
I'm gonna be cold again. I'm so cold I forgot how to talk.
So, Nora has changed away from outfit 2 to outfit 3, which is a pink one piece. And we're about to go behind the falls. So, I'm sorry, but bye-bye good audio as you're not waterproof. Stand in the sun?
Let's just go get food after.
What'd you think about the waterfall here?
It was insane, but insanely fucking cold, man. Insanely cold.
Okay, so check out this photo. This is right behind the falls. She was absolutely freezing. If you want to see more of those photos, go ahead and check out my Instagram here, Grimmruthless, and check out Nora's Instagram. What's your Instagram once again?
Nora.Sokolovich. He'll put it down below, don't worry.
It's always down below. It's also right here. Go check it out. So Nora took a little bit of a slip, lost her cigarette. Yeah, her dry clothes got wet, and lost a flip-flop that I had to go on a scavenger hunt to find. Let's hope I don't fall right here.
Fuck this place for now. We'll be back.
Check this out.
And guess what? Jake is not going swimming today.
We were supposed to.
We were supposed to go swimming, but he was like, I don't want to get wet. I have my hair and makeup and everything. So we're like, okay, Jake, we don't have to go swimming.
Didn't you say I didn't have hair and makeup? Weren't you the one that fell? How's your finger?
I was.
Your finger?
You know what? They're a little bit swollen still, but they're not that bad. Look at that.
It's okay for talking shit.
Yeah. You know what? At least we didn't get it on video, because that would have been really embarrassing.
I mean, I was so pissed about that.
It's okay, we live and we learn. Always keep the camera rolling on Nora, because she always does stupid shit, basically. Right?
Yeah, you almost fell off the cliff just now.
Basically. And I almost got my butt muddy again.
I mean, you did. I'm not looking. Huh?
Yeah, let's check my butt. Am I good? Let's see.
Little bit.
I can't go anywhere. You guys can't take me anywhere.
I don't think there's more than we can do. How come you think that I still owe you anything more than pain, more than the pouring rain? How can there
Actually, before we continue this video, I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys just for a second. You guys may have noticed that this video is a little tiny bit different. I've been using this filming method, what people are calling the Edgar Wright film method. Now, Edgar Wright is a director that uses this very unique kind of filming. And Peter McKinnon actually put out a video called the Edgar Wright Challenge, challenging you to make an Edgar Wright inspired B-roll thing. And I decided to give it a little bit of a try, but to put my own flair on it, to not directly rip off Edgar Wright and his style. Alongside that, I actually picked up some string lights that I was really excited to play with. So here is all of that footage back on the video.
Can there be more to explain? No, I won't go down the drain, 'cause I was there too, always so true, always so blind.
We were born restless minds, incompatible different sides, so we had to read between.
This game?
Okay, it says they're supposed to be waterproof. So, oh, they are waterproof.
Ah, that's so sick!
They are waterproof.
Nothing in my hand. Poof. Now they're straight, motherfucker.
Can I see that? Yeah, I can see that quite well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
God said, let there be light.
You saying you're God?
No, we're in pretty damn close.
Alright guys, that is all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, down below is a link to Nora and Kia's Instagram. Sorry to Kia for not introducing you in the video. Now after you go and check them out guys, I really would appreciate if you were to go down there, hit that share button. It takes 2 seconds for you when this video took me around 12 hours to edit. not counting time to film and money. So take a second and show your appreciation. But with that being said, guys, my name is Grim. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace. With authority.